Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride and Thrill. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xtreme 200S 4 volts, a bike that's got everyone talking. Hero has really stepped up its game with this one, and in this video, we're going to explore everything that makes this model so exciting. Let's start with the design, because Hero has gone all out here. The 2025 Xtreme 200S 4 volts comes with sharper, sportier angles that give it a really aggressive look. It's available in some bold color options, each with sleek graphics that make this bike stand out on the road. And Hero didn't just stop at looks, they've given it a full LED lighting setup. That means LED headlights, taillights, and even indicators, adding style and also boosting visibility, which is a nice touch for both city and highway riding. Now, let's talk about the engine and performance. This model runs on a 200cc, 4-valve, oil-cooled engine that's built to deliver a strong punch without sacrificing smoothness. It produces around 18 horsepower, which is pretty impressive in this segment. This setup makes the 200S 4 volts a solid performer on city roads, but also powerful enough for weekend rides and longer commutes. The 4-valve configuration improves both power and efficiency, so you're getting that extra boost while still keeping fuel consumption in check. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Xtreme 200S 4 volts is its updated digital console. Hero has integrated smartphone connectivity, which is super handy. With this feature, you can sync your phone, get call alerts, and even use navigation on the console. This kind of technology is usually reserved for premium bikes, so it's great to see it here. The console is bright and clear, so whether you're riding during the day or at night, you can easily keep track of everything without any hassle. And then there's safety. Hero's made sure this model is equipped with a single-channel ABS, which gives you extra braking control, especially in tricky road conditions. The suspension setup is also impressive, with a telescopic front fork and a 7-step adjustable monoshock at the rear, which makes for a really comfortable ride. Whether you're on rough patches in the city or smoother stretches on the highway, the suspension keeps you feeling balanced and in control. Overall, Hero has packed the 2025 Xtreme 200S 4 volts with features that make it a really compelling choice in the 200cc segment. The upgraded design, advanced technology, and solid performance are bound to make it a favorite among riders looking for style, comfort, and tech. And, of course, with Hero's strong reputation for durability and value, this bike is set to be a great option for a wide range of riders. Thanks for tuning into Ride and Thrill. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews. Let us know in the comments if the Hero Xtreme 200S 4 volts is on your radar for 2025, or if you have any questions about this model. Until next time, ride safe and keep the thrill alive.